seen a ass like that. The way you move it, you make my PB go. Doing, doing, doing.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
What the fuck? NANI?
What can you do? You fucking doing, you piece of fucking shit. Fucking wankers, man. Should I launch control this thing? Go. Red light, bitch! Bitch.
Oh, hello there!
What's up? I'll knock him out, you knock her out, yeah? There's a scooter that wants to go through. Two of them. He's so close to you, what the fuck, man? No, you're a little bit too close when you're riding, bro. Just and then you're like, you drive too close. He's like, yeah, cool, bro. Gee, that is a nice bike. Jesus Christ, that is so good, man. What the hell? I have to. I have to. You want to sit on this?
Yes.
Yeah? Go, go, go. No, no. You fuck. Yo.
My girlfriend better than Kim Kardashian. Her backside big pass a Black China.
Man, everyone's saying hello today. MT09, yeah? MT09. Man, this fucking bike is so smooth! Shout out and thank you to Surrey Motorcycles. Did an MOT, chain, sprocket, both front and rear tire. And oh, and the oil change and the filter. No, he can sit on it. Enjoy. I just saw it and I was like, I have to do it. You can sit if you want, don't worry. Can I take as well? Yeah? Man, this is a one in a lifetime opportunity, like. No problem. Thank you. No problem. Congratulations. See you.
Last one. Can I have it like a few more seconds?
Yeah, no problem.
Can you turn this one? This side.
No, I'm in no rush.
Okay.
You can take 5-10 minutes, no problem. Yeah. Yep. So, yeah. So like, we on like this, yeah. Cool. Cool. Just be careful. This is dirty. So this is like just, yeah, it's dirty. So just be careful so it doesn't become like black or anything. It's actually a good thing that I got new tires. I've barely done 20 miles on those tires, so I want to take picture with them.
Yes.
Wait.
I take picture for you.
There you go. Just, yeah. It's okay. Like. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a nice day, guys.